Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering tools. One small flat screwdriver and one 1/4-inch pick to open the fob safely. Have a new CR 2032 3V coin cell and a soft cloth ready. The Acura ILX key fob uses a CR 2032 3V battery that measures 20 mm across and is widely available online or at stores. Remove jewelry and work on a clean surface. Expect the job to take about 5 minutes, and keep a soft cloth to protect finishes to avoid scratching the key housing during prying and handling. Insert the flat screwdriver into the seam at the key blade end and twist gently to separate the two halves. Take care not to force or gouge the plastic. Remove the black plastic insert holding the circuit board and battery, then lift the board slightly to expose the coin cell. Remove the old battery and note battery orientation with the plus side up so you install the new cell correctly. Replace with a new CR 2032 3V cell. Press until it clicks into the metal contacts and confirm the battery sits flat and secure. Reseat the circuit board into the bottom shell, align the black plastic insert and battery, then snap the two halves together until you hear a click. Press around the seam to ensure a full closure. Flip the key fob and test lock, unlock, trunk, and panic functions from about 3 feet away. If signals fail, recheck battery orientation and clean contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Dispose of the old CR 2032 cell properly at a battery recycling point and store spare cells in a dry place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.